Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to find Facebook username and user ID. So let's get started. Click on right top corner on profile icon. Click on three dots. Scroll down and find the username after this, /. You can also copy your username. Now we will look how to find user ID. Again, click on top right corner profile icon. Click on Setting and Privacy. Then Setting. Scroll down and find App and Websites. Click on any website. Guys, here is your user ID. Thank you guys for watching this video.